Hi, welcome to Brown's Mini Mart. I visited Brown's yesterday. I was just after a few Jamaican goodies. This is in Chatham, Kent. Nice little Jamaican corner shop. Pretty busy, lots of people going there for other things as well. Very handy, nice little shop. I got my Maxfield Easter bun in there, as you can see from this video. Those are the buns. It was $12.99 for the Maxfield, but that's not common, so I can understand that. You can see there were other choices of buns for less, and those ones we get more often here in the UK. We got bread, we've got national small round bun, and they had vegetables and fruits as well, like we would have them, you know. If you're Jamaican, it's a good place to go. There's our cheese. Then we've got lots of snacks. They had lots of snacks in there, lots of original Jamaican snacks. This is rare to find in this part of Kent. You don't find this much, so this was a really very good find in a shop. Here we got some more Jamaican, more Jamaican snacks. Look, amazing peanut butter biscuits. I grew up on these biscuits, guys. Those were in my lunchbox. More Jamaican snacks. There we go. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know that from Jamaica, but I've seen it before. Or hard round sweets that we have quite a lot of in Jamaica. Here we go. Tom Tom. I was talking about that in the video. Then we have some Jamaican drinks. We got the famous Bigger. We have festival cookies. More crisps, and we all used to love Kiss because it's got a cream in the middle, and we like the name Kiss. Here are some tin food goodies. We got molasses. They have everything that you could want in your home, in your Jamaican home. There's browning, barbecue, jerk barbecue. We got condensed milk. We got vanilla. We got guava jam, supplicant, baba roots, chocolate milk, like everything that you want. Peanut butter. This is gonna be my regular go-to shop now. Noodles, corned beef, more pack soup noodles. We got mac and cheese. We got festival mix if you can't make your festival from scratch or you don't want to. There we go. We got our powder seasonings. We got our curry. We got our Maggi. We got our mackerel. We got coconut milk down the bottom there. And we have syrup at the bottom. We have cup noodle. We have sardine. Just name it, you get it. And carbolic. I haven't seen carbolic soap in ages. Then I got two of these because I was just talking about my face. I had one of these soaps before, but it ran out and I didn't get it back. And I just finished talking to my sister about this very soap, and then I saw it. Boy, Pure Lean looking a little bit lonely on the shelf. But it's been a while since I've seen Pure Lean as well. Then on my way leaving, I saw our lovely chiffon butter with glass bottle sodas, chubby bottle, like a lot of things that I haven't seen in a long time. So it was a very nice feeling to visit this shop. There we have our bigger box drinks. Everything. I could have get one of them, not bigger, Big Joe. And here is the outside of the shop again. So this is in Chatham town, a little town in Kent. If you're in the Kent area and you want to get some Jamaican food, it's very handy.